Ladies and gentlemen, to kick things off, please welcome to the stage Ildiko Vancha.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I can see that we still have some seats, so I'm guessing that there are some people hangovered in that hotel room and they are feeling really, really sorry that they are missing the really, really amazing keynote block this morning about Edge. More of Edge and with a little bit of NFV flavor. So just to wake you all up, are you enjoying the summit? Hands up if you're having a good time. Yay! Are you ready to start this? Yay! Awesome. All right, a few questions to you guys. So I'm just wondering how many of you are here at this conference to just learn what edge computing is? You have no idea, never heard, trying to learn what that is. Hands up. Okay, a few of us. Great. And which of you are already working on it, having proof of concepts, planning on rolling it out? A few hands. Running things in production? A very few hands. All right. So good news that when our track chairs were working on putting together the content for the Edge track, we basically try to address all these things. So you will hear about what edge computing is. People will try to fill you in and make you feel comfortable in this area. There are a lot of presentations on some of the details like security in Edge, which I think is a very important topic whenever Edge comes up. You will also learn about how OpenStack projects are functioning or not yet functioning in Edge. So we have pretty great content for you for the next 2 days, but first we will start with this keynote block where we also try to show you that edge computing is not just a telecom/NFV/5G topic, but it's also for the wide industry. And also a really good opportunity for cross-community collaboration. So on that note, our first speaker will take you to the world of the textile industry. So from 99 Cloud, please welcome Shuchuan Huang.